ITC posted a mixed Q4 result. Revenue and profit met the street estimates, while the margins gave a beat on what the street was penciling in. Cigarette volume growth comes in muted at 2%, while the agri and paper business revenues declined on a year-on-year basis. My colleague Vinny is joining in with all the number crunching.
Yes, so in terms of numbers from ITC, what we're seeing is that revenues and profits are largely in line with what we're expecting, a 2-3% miss in terms of revenue profits. But overall, yes, in line for revenue and profits is what we could say. Margins slight bit better, and cigarette volume growth, we were expecting absolutely flattish in terms of volume growth. Seems like it's coming at about a couple of percent. This is, the company doesn't give the number. So this is an inferred number that seems like it's going to be cigarette volume at around 2% is what we are inferring it at. Overall revenue growth of around 3% is what we are seeing. Profits of the company slight bit of a decline of 1%. While margins of the company have managed to see an expansion this time around of a few basis points, so keeping an eye on the margins. Cigarette managed to do well. Cigarette business has seen a growth of around 8%. FMCG business is managing a high single-digit growth. That's what we were expecting. So FMCG business seen as a growth of around 7%. Hotels continues to do better than the other segments. Hotel has seen a growth of almost 15%. And hotel business, the traction has been quite high. Update on the hotel business, the demerger. Now, they've gotten the approvals from the requirement, and NCLT now has said that the shareholders meeting will be convened, and that is going to be convened on 6th of June that we're watching out for. In terms of the hotel business, that's the update to approve the scheme of this arrangement, the demerger that will be happening of the hotel business. So yes, we're keeping an eye out on that. Other than that, the cigarette EBIT has seen a growth of around 4.9%, while FMCG EBIT has seen a bit of a pressure there, down 5% in trade. Agri and paper business, both of them, like we had mentioned before, continue to be under pressure, and that's what has come in, that agri and paper business both are a bit subdued. Agri business continues to face that impact of trade restrictions, while paper business is facing impact of the lower priced China supplies in the international market, so that continues to impact them. Interesting that in terms of the press release, we're seeing a highlight that they are seeing recovery in the rural market. Green shoots is what they're seeing there. So yes, slight bit of a positive commentary there, because that will start supporting the growth going forward. And overall, the company said that they remain confident to navigating short-term challenges and obviously creating sustained value for the stakeholders. So yes, all in all, ITC, we could say largely in line set of numbers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.